Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. S.M.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about knowledge representation using the natural languages. Next one, introduction to knowledge representation. Knowledge representation is the awareness of or familiarity gained by the experience of fact and situations or data. Following the types of knowledge in artificial intelligence, the following various types of knowledge. First one, declarative knowledge. Declarative knowledge is to know about something. It includes the concept, fact and objects. It is also called as descriptive knowledge and expressed in a declarative sentence. It is similar to procedural language. Next one, procedural language. It is also known as imperative knowledge. Procedural knowledge is type of knowledge which is responsible for knowing how to something. It can be directly applied to any task. It includes rules, strategies, procedures, agendas, etc. Procedural knowledge depends on the task on which it is can applied. Next one, meta knowledge. Knowledge about the other type of knowledge is called as meta knowledge. Data about the data. Next one, heuristic languages. Heuristic language is known as representative knowledge, some expert in the field or subject. Heuristic knowledge is the rules of thumb based on the previous experience, awareness of approaches and which are good to work or not guarantee. Next one, structural knowledges. Structural knowledge is the basic knowledge to problem solving. It describes the relationship between the various concepts such as kind of and part of or grouping of something. It describes the relationship that exists in between the concept and objects. Next one, the relationship between the knowledge and intelligence. Knowledge of real world plays a vital role in the intelligence and some for creating artificial intelligence. Knowledge play an important role in demonstrating intelligent behavior in artificial intelligence agent. The agent is only able to accurately act as some input which has some knowledge or experience about the input. As we can see the below the diagram, there are one decision maker act as by sensing the environment using the knowledge, but if the knowledge part will not be present, then it cannot be display the intelligence behaviors. Next one, A knowledge cycle. Artificial intelligence system has the following component for displaying intelligence behavior: perception, learning and knowledge representation and reasoning, planning, executions. The above diagram is shown how the artificial intelligence system can interact with the real world and what components it help to show intelligence. AI system has the perceptions component by which it retrieves the information from its environment. It can be visual, audio or another from the sensitivity input. And learning component is responsible for learning from the data captured by the perception component. It completes the cycle. Main component are knowledge representation and reasoning. There are two components are involved in the showing intelligence system, machine like humans. These two components are the independent with each other but also coupled together. The planning and execution depending on the analysis of the knowledge representation and reasoning. Next one, approaches to knowledge representations. Approaches, there are mainly four approaches to knowledge representation which are given below. First one is simple relationship knowledge. It is the simplest way of storing facts which use the relation method, and each fact about the set of object it is out systematically in columns. Inheritable knowledge. Inheritable knowledge approaches, all data must store in hierarchy analysis. All classes should be arranged in generalized form or hierarchical manner. Interferential knowledge. Differential knowledge approaches represent the knowledge in the form of formal logics, and the approaches can be used to drive more efforts. It is guarantee correctness. Next one, procedural knowledge. Procedural knowledge use the small program codes which describe how to specific things and how to proceed. In this approaches, one important rule is used which is if then rule. The knowledge we can use various coding languages such as Lisp program languages and Pro languages like. Thank you.